Mm, do you ever know the poetry of Kalidasa? Ever heard of Kalidasa's poetry?
Of course, I heard. Yeah.
Ah. Do you know any shlokas of Kalidasa?
No, I think you introduced us to one of them.
वागर्धा विवसंपृक्तौ वागर्ध प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वंदे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ.
Yeah. The general difficulty I find is with the gender. For example, the word like sarva, it occurs in masculine gender, feminine gender, and napunsakalinga.
Okay.
And similarly, the word like that or this, they also occur in those three genders. And depending on the vibhakti, the form changes. So that is something you acquire with practice, I guess.
Obviously, we are like Samskrita bhashayam मूल वैदिक विज्ञानम अवगंतुम, to know संस्कृत भाषा ज्ञानम आवश्यकम. व्यवहारार्थम यत्किमपि भवेत्.
Okay.
In general, talking any language is like my English is butler English, but still you people are able to understand it because of understanding is enough for like knowing someone's feelings. But if you know the Vedic language, for understanding Vedic philosophy, Vedic system and all, you need a proper and protected grammar for it.
Yeah.
That is a difficult part. If you learn this real Sanskritam with grammar, that is easy. Understanding philosophy is easy.
Yeah, I'm, sitting in two other classes. One of them is Narayan Bhattayar's Narayaniyam. That's a remarkable Sanskrit. It's so beautiful to listen, even though you don't understand it.
No, you will understand it. The thing is, 100% understanding and 75%, 50, 25 in these classifications, we can understand 25% only.
Yeah.
If you, with this 25%, you are getting this happiness, satisfaction. If it
Yes.
goes to 50%, you'll be like, wow. If you go
Yeah.
to 75%, you'll be marvelous. That is the real education. When you
Yeah.
get 100%, you will be little feeling sanctified, feeling pious.
That requires studying the same sloka for a month or maybe
There's
2
a
months.
beautiful shloka,
Yeah.
a very beautiful shloka. Let us start the class with that slokam only. Let us start with the prayer and get into that shloka. ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे. स्वतः सिद्धं शुद्धस्फटिकमणिभूभृत् प्रतिभटं सुधासध्रीचीभिर्द्युतिभिरवदात् त्रिभुवन् अनन्तैस्त्रयन्तैरणहुरितहेषा हलहलं हताशेषावद्यं हयवदनमीडीमहिम्. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Okay, I'll share a screen.
Vande Mataram Acharya ji.
Vande Mataram, Swami.
Vande Mataram Acharya ji.
Vande Mataram, Vasudha Mata. Today I saw you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gave her the permission today.
The first time I'm hearing permission given by husband to wife. Wow.
Oh. He's just kidding.
Yeah, I know that, ma. How can it be true? Shyam Swami, Vande Mataram. Hari Om. Yeah, I'll tell you a shloka, a beautiful shloka today. Acharyat padamadatte. Did you ever heard this?
No.
No.
Padam Sishyah Swamedhaya. Padam Sabramha Charibhyah. Padam. Okay, let me get the last one. What is the first line, Swami? Yeah. Acharyat padamadatte. Okay, I'll divide the word here. Padam adatte. What is the meaning of it? Acharyat. Which vibhakti?
It's
Fifth vibhakti, Panchami vibhakti.
What is the meaning of fifth one? From teacher. Very good. Acharyat. What is padam?
Feet.
Quarter, exactly. Padam is a quarter. Okay, every shloka got 4 padas, I told you, 4 lines. That is padam. Okay, you will get 25% from a teacher. Adatte, you receive. We receive 25% from the teacher. It means
Pada, foot. Is that a different word or is it also the same word? Pada, foot.
the same word
Yeah.
we use in 2 meanings.
Yeah. Okay.
So acharyat padam adatte. Even though if I teach for 50 minutes or 1 hour or 100 minutes class, a student will receive only 25% about a topic or a subject. Okay. Immediately next padam. What is the padam here? This is second padam.
Yeah.
First padam we receive from teacher. Second padam sishyaha swamedhaya.
By self-study.
By self-study or self-imagination, thinking. Padam, this is third padam. Sabrahmacharibhyah. Who is brahmachari?
Co-students, I think.
Co-students, so like classmates. Sabrahmacharibhyah. So among 100%, first 25% we receive from teacher. Second 25% we just by practicing or revision or etc. Padam sabrahmacharibhyah. The remaining, the other 25% with the help of classmates. Next one is Padam kalakramena cha. The remaining 25% we get it
Experience.
while just going on. That's why even philosophy, even though you practice a lot, you read from the teacher, you learn, you excel it, you don't get the complete knowledge of Vedanta. Only with the experience in time, when you are just traveling in a train or bus or somewhere, you'll get happiness. Yeah, that might be the reason of telling this line. So education, as we already discussed, to understand the language or to understand the Vedic concepts or to understand the philosophy or to understand anything. So first padam you receive from teacher. That too, we are having class 1 hour in every week, weekly 1 hour. Almost within 2-3 months, we are going to get our anniversary, August 15th. So within what, it's a 30th class.
Yes, 30th class.
30th class. So within 30 classes, from the teacher, you received a padam. I don't think it is padam also, because the time is making us to forget things. What it is not giving permission to practice a lot. And I appreciate you all, like people are doing homework a little better than the previous things. You are submitting your lines and all. I'm very happy and proud of you. So you receive a little from a teacher. When you listen to some other words or some other sentences, some other discourses, you feel like, oh, this is a word we discussed. Oh, the sentences we discussed. I think this is the meaning of this sentence he's talking. you put it in practice, samedha, then 25% more you will understand. If in our same class we discuss with each other in Sanskrit, then it becomes padam sabbrahmacharibhya. We talk together, each other in Sanskrit only, then it becomes a more practice. Sometimes I may not get a strike of a good word. Spontaneously, some other person may tell, oh, I'll remember it. Sometimes small kids will speak, we'll be feeling little shy and we learn it. Sometimes our partners to whom we admire most, if they speak some good words, we learn it and we own it and we discuss. That is padam sabbrahmacharibhya. Till then is fine because this is external education or external force. But last one is internal force where you think by yourself, you apply your experiences and you try to make your own ideologies in Sanskrit called as kalakramam. I used to feel everything is easy in my 20 age. In 22, I used to be so egoistic that everything can be achieved easily. Yeah, I'm the hero, I can do anything. At the age of 25, I used to feel like good, 29 difficult, 30 impossible. Means time teaches you many things. Even subject, time teaches you many things. I read the same shloka, Acharya Padamadate. I did not believe it in 20 age. When I'm in 25, I need to tell the students, then I got to believe it. I obviously need to. Now I believe in it that this is right. So every perception changes according to time. Yeah. I think Shyamji is talking. Hello.
Acharya ji,
Yeah.
हम एकं सूचना करोतु.
Suchanam karomi. Yeah.
सूचनां करोमि.
Avashyam kurvantu.
अद्यतनपाठे संस्कृतभाषेन सम्भाषणं करोमि.
अवश्यम् अहमपि करोमि परन्तु एतत्तु विचारणीयविषयः वक्तुम् आरब्धं मया परन्तु यदि अहं संस्कृतेन एव व्याख्यानं करोमि किञ्चित् क्लिष्टं भवति इति मत्वा उक्तवान् इदानीन्तः संस्कृतमेव किं श्याम महाभागा किं वक्तुम् इच्छन्ति किञ्चित् श्यामनो महोदय ओके उत्तमम् यूयं जानन्ति एव खलु गतवासरे गत रविवासरे मया कानिचन धातूनि दत्तानि कानिचन धातुपट्टिकां प्रदर्शितं मया प्रदर्शितं तस्मिन् तस्मिन् बहूनि धातूनि प्रदर्शितानि I want to share. Yeah. अद्य कक्ष्यायाः संख्या किम्? कक्ष्यायाः संख्या किम्?
30.
या 30.
30.
Very good. उत्तमम्. तर्हि अयं गतवर्षपट्टिका गतवासर क्रियापदपट्टिका.
Pattika is like a table.
Table or list. दत्त महाभागा प्रेषितानि गृहकार्यं सर्वे प्रतिदिनं न प्रेषितम् आग्रहः प्रदर्श्यते. यदि गुरुः आग्रहः प्रदर्शयति शिष्याः हसन्ति किम्?
Present day students are like
अद्यतन छात्राः बहु चतुरः
चतुराः
चतुराः
चतुराः सरसाः रसिकाः ओके पुनः एकवारं यूयमेव इदानीं धातुम् उक्त्वा वाक्यं वक्तव्यं धातुं दृष्ट्वा वाक्यं वक्तव्यं प्रत्येकं सर्वे एकैकः एतत् पट्टिकां पठन्तु प्रथमतः
हसति
लक्ष्मणरेड्डी महाभाग
हसति रोदति रोदिति पश्यति शृणोति खादति
खादति राइट हसति वाक्यं
छात्राः किमर्थं हसति
हसत् छात्राः मीन्स
हसन्ति
उत्तमं
हसन्ति बहुवचनं
अन्यत् रोदिति
Can it be rodati or roditi?
both are there generally rodati
Okay.
अन्यं छात्राः वदन्तु
न यूयं प्रथम चत्वारि धातूनि लक्ष्मणरेड्डी महाभाग
आम् आम् शिष्याः किमर्थं रोदिति
सर्वे शिष्याः एव वा रोदिति वा रुदन्ति वा
बहुवचनं
बहुवचनं
शिशुवाः शिशवः नाट्
गुरुः गुरवः शिशुः शिशवः रिमेम्बर दट शब्द एंड विभक्ति वेरी गुड शिशवः क्षीरार्धं
रुदन्ति
एक्चुअली
रुदन्ति
ओके रुदन्ति या वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट
वयं एकं चलनचित्रं पश्यति वयं पश्यन्ति
वयं
पश्यामि
वयं
पश्यामः
फैंटास्टिक वेरी गुड उत्तमम् अन्यत् अन्यधातु
आचार्यजी अद्यतन पाठे एकं सुभाषितं शृण्वन्तु
उत्तमं बढ़िया आचार्य महोदय जी इज इन हिंदी
ओके आचार्य
महोदय सर महोदय इज इन संस्कृत
आचार्य महोदय अद्यतन पाठे एकं सुभाषितं शृण्वन्तु
उत्तमं नेक्स्ट गमनसे दत्त महाभाग खादति फ्रॉम हियर 4 चत्वारि धातुक्रियापदानि वाक्यानि कुर्वन्तु
वयं खादामि
वयं
that's where I have difficulty.
If it is vayam is we aham khadami vayam plural khadamah
vayam khadamah
uttamam next change the only aham and vayam only okay change the other words also okay tvam is also there
evam pivatvam
yuyam remember the dhatu pibati pibatah pibanti third person pibasi pibathah pibatha pibami pibavah pibamah
Okay.
So vayam or yuyam is the Madhyama Purusha, Bahuvachanam. Yuyam,
Yuyam pivamaha.
Pibatha.
Pivata.
Vayam pibamaha.
Vayam
Vayam
pivamaha.
pibamaha. Te pibanti. Tvam pibasi. Saha pibati. Aham pibami.
What's the next word? Patati.
Patati.
Vayam.
Again,
But,
no, only vayam tvam, change any noun. Instead of pronoun, make a noun.
Noun. Okay.
Hmm.
Te
Hmm.
pata.
Plural. Te patha. Patha. Patha.
Pata.
Pathati pathatah. Pathati pathatah. Plural.
Patata. Patata.
Pathanti.
Patanti.
Te pathanti. Remember, te is a plural. Pathanti. Plural pathanti.
Yeah, te
Me,
patanti.
vayam pathamaha. Okay, next one. Likhati.
Taha.
Hmm.
It is girls.
Hmm.
Taha. Likha. Likhati.
Uttamam. Taha likhanti. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. If you want to add some adjective, taha balikaha likhanti. Taha mahilaha likhanti. Taha striyaha likhanti. You can add.
Taha implies ladies, right?
Yes. If you want, add the word, you can add. Okay. Narayan Bhai Mahabhaga, next one, Chalati.
Vayam padabhyam chalanti.
Vayam.
Avam vayam chalamaha.
Very good.
Chalamaha. Dhavati. Okay. Simhasya garjanam shrutva vanyamragaha itastatah dhavanti.
Uttamam. Hmm.
Tishtati.
Tishtati.
Tishtati. Right. Okay. Aham atra eva tishtami.
Tamam. Tamam.
Upavishati. Tvam asane upavisha.
Tvam asane upavisha. Very good. Uttamam. Next, Vikshapati Swami. I think 4 completed, na? Yeah.
Yeah, Kridati, Kurdate, Snani,
Snati. Snati or snanam karoti also you can tell.
Snati.
Add karoti also. Okay, then such that snanam karoti, snanam karomi, snanam karoshi, snanam kurvanti, snanam kurmaha, snanam kurutha. You can add that also. Okay. Kridati.
Kridati. Sayam Kale. Kshatra.
Chhatraha.
Chhatraha. Chhatraha. Patashala.
Pathashala. Vibhakti is not there in Pathashala.
Patashala.
You should add it. Which vibhakti? In the school or on the school or of the school or from the school?
Patashale.
Pathashala is strilinga, so you should asmabhi pathashalayam iti vaktavyam.
Patashalayam. Kridati.
Chhatraha kridati. Chhatraha.
Chhatra kridanti.
Uttamam. Next one.
Kritanti.
Kurdate.
Some, what do you say, some? Some students. Some students.
Katichana or Katichana Vidyarthina or Kechana is some.
Ke-
Kechana or Katichana. Both are for some.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Kechana
Hmm.
vidyarthi.
Vidyarthi. Vidyarthi is singular. Kechana is plural. Vidyarthi is
Plural.
singular. Make both singular or plural.
Plural.
Vidyarthina.
Vidyarthina.
Hmm.
Kudanti.
Kurdanti.
Kudanti.
Kurdanti.
Kurdanti. Kurdanti.
Okay. Next one.
Tadanantaram
Hmm.
Kshatre
Chhatre.
Gruham agachami
Agatva or Agacha.
agatva
Agatya.
agacha
Agatya. Hmm.
agatya
Hmm.
snanam
Kurvanti.
snanam kurvani.
Karo
Snanam.
means I am doing. Na? You are not. You are
I'm
not
doing,
there
yeah.
in the sentence.
Yes, snanam kurvanti.
Chatraha kridanantaram gruhamagatya snanam kurvanti. Uttamam. The next one.
Tadanantaram vastram dharati.
Dharan. If it is plural,
Anti.
dharanti.
Dharanti.
Uttamam, 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 uttamam. Next, Vasudha Mata.
Nishkasayati. What does that mean?
Nishkasayati is removing.
Nidrati, Gayati, Nrutyati.
Hmm.
Nishkasayati. Removing. That's hard. I'll do the Nidrati first.
Nothing is hard, ma. Nishkasayati.
Yes.
Mama putraha sarvada yadi vastram saha nishkasayati. Aham dharayami saha nishkasayati.
Okay. So you put it on and he's taking it off. Okay. So Nidrati.
Nidrati.
Nidrati. Aham.
Okay, and remove aham. Keep Ramaha or Sita or Kumbhakarnaha.
Shishuhu. Yeah.
Shishuhu.
Shishuhu. Do milk after he drinks milk.
Kshiram or Dugdham.
Shriram
Pitva.
Pitva.
That's it.
Pitva. Tadanantaram, and he'll sleep well.
Nidrati, that's it.
Nidrati.
So, Tadanantaram is not required. Shishuhu Kshiram Pitva Nidrati.
Nidrati.
Shishuhu Kshiram Pitva Nidrati.
Gayati. Kokilaha Madurataha Gayati.
Kokila Tushravyam Gayati. Shravyam is like pleasant.
That's it.
Amruta Iva. Amrutam is an example. Kokila Amrutam na Gayati. Kokila Amruta Iva Gayati.
Oh, Eva, like.
You should add this, or else Amruta will not be connected to Kokila.
Okay.
Okay?
Nrityati.
Nrityati. What is peacock?
Mayura.
Mayura. Mayuraha.
Adjective. Searching for adjective.
Mayuraha. Sundaraha.
Sundarataya.
Sundarataya Nrityati.
Mayuraha Sundarataya Nrityati. Uttamam. Okay. Here I got a doubt. Mayuraha or Mayura?
Mayura.
The dancing peacock is a male or a female?
Male.
Male.
That Mayuraha is the right.
Mayuraha.
Uttamam. So nishkasayati you avoided. So next one vadayati you continue.
Okay. Vadayati. Jayantaha. Because that's my son. I only can remember that.
Any word, any noun, any name you can use it, na?
Yeah. Or I'll do. Okay, see.
Jayantaha.
Jayantaha.
Okay, Jayanta, what is doing?
Vadayati.
Okay, kim vadayati?
Violin. What do you say? Violin.
Violin.
Violin vadayati.
Uttamam. Jayantaha violin vadayati. Or Jayantaha veenam vadayati.
Yeah.
Or
Veenam vadayati.
venum vadayati.
Venum is flute?
Yeah.
Okay. Venum vadayati.
Vadayati. To the flute, na? Venum. To flute, vadayati. Or piano, harmony, vadayati. Okay. Next, Shyam Swami, Shubhodayam. You are not audible. Your voice is not heard.
I'm Guru in some beach.
No audio, Swami. You're able to hear my voice?
Yeah,
But we are unable to hear yours. We can see you. No audio. Okay. Mute. Now you unmute.
He has to reconnect, I think.
Reconnect.
Reconnecting. you unmute, please. Once again, try. No.
No, I think.
Can you get reconnected, please? Can you get reconnected?
I think he has to re-log in, I think. Totally.
Swami send some chat, it seems. I can't hear everyone. I am not muted through my end. Please. Please, array. Okay. Next, Seshji, if you are there, can I hear you? Nakasudha Mata, can I hear you today? Shyam Swami joined. Hello? We are not hearing you, Shyam Swami. Nakasudha Mata, are you there? Can we hear you today? Okay, again, Vasudha Mata,
Yeah.
continue with the remaining 4.
Okay. What's that next one?
Tarati,
Tarati, Vikrayati,
Chitrayati.
Chitrayati, Nikshipati. What is Nikshipati?
Nikshipati, throwing, yeah.
Okay. Ganayati.
Ganayati.
Tarati means swimming, right?
Huh? Tarati is
Tarati.
swimming.
Counting.
Crossing.
Yeah. Aham na tharati.
Huh? Aham na, he is doing. I am not, he is swimming.
No.
Huh?
Mama. No, I cannot swim.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can. Now we
Okay,
can,
good.
Swami.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shyamji, go ahead.
Shyamlar can continue now.
So did I miss somebody?
No, nothing. Yes, you should continue this. Why? What happened, Swami?
I think my microphone, it picked something else.
Okay, no problem.
So now instead of the USB one,
Okay.
anyway, I was not trying to do the ... but you know, before I
Lakshmareddy
get into this,
ji is always
I-
complimenting you.
I need to tell everybody, you know, my college mates are here. When we started engineering school, majority clerks in the college were Muslims. They could only speak Urdu or Hindi, Hyderabadi Hindi. And I learned in Telugu medium, and I learned English, Hindi in school, but couldn't speak. So with great difficulty, I would put together a sentence in English for 15 minutes, and I go and ask the clerk, and he would say "kya," and it's done. It would take me 15 minutes to reconstruct. So this reminds me of that exercise now. So one "kya" is going to throw everything away.
Okay, next 4. Tarati, Chitrayati, Nikshipati, Ganayati.
Tarati, Chitrayati, Nikshipati, Ganayati.
Ganayati. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Yeah, now you can continue.
Michael Phelps.
In Sanskrit, Swami.
His name is Michael Phelps.
Michael Phelps.
Okay.
Swimming champion.
Okay.
So I wanted to say Michael Phelps won the Olympics, you know, in swimming.
Okay. Try.
Michael Phelps Olympics Tarati Kridate.
Kridayam.
Tarati Kridayam or?
Tarana Kridayam.
Tarana Kridayam Vijaya
Praptaha.
Praptaha.
Uttamam. Once again, without breaks.
Michael Phelps Olympics Tarana
Kridayam.
Vijaya Praptaha.
Vijayam Praptaha. Here you need to remember something. Michael Phelps is a nama.
Nama, yes.
Purushasya nama. Ityukte. Michael Phelps namakaha.
Oh, Michael Phelps namakaha. Kridapatu.
Tarana Kridayam.
Vijayam Praptaha.
Vijayam Praptaha. Uttamam. Chitrayati.
Can I repeat what I already did, or should I say something else?
Try something else, Swami. Because in that I think people did not heard that.
So Mona Lisa Chitrayam.
Chitram.
Mona Lisa Chitram, Leonardo da Vinci Chitrayati.
Leonardo da Vinci na Chitritam.
Chitritam.
Once again.
Mona Lisa Chitram. Leonardo da Vinci Chitritam.
Chitritam. Okay. Now,
Chitritam.
whose picture? Mona Lisa's picture. It
Mona
is in
Lisa's.
Sashti Vibhakti.
So Sashti is
What you should tell to the Mona Lisa?
Mona Lisa.
If it is Sita,
Yeah.
Sitayaha. Now it is Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisaya.
Mona Lisayaha Chitram.
Monalasaya Chitram.
Monalisayaha chitram.
Monalisayaha Chitram.
Hmm.
Leonardo da Vinci Chitrita.
Da Vinci
Chitritaha.
chitritam or Da Vinci na chitritam by the kada by
Da Vinci na. Okay.
Da Vinci na Harina. Da Vinci Hari Shabda like Da Vinci. Da
Chitrita.
Vinci na chitritam.
Okay.
Okay, once again, please, without breaks, because it's a beautiful sentence you made it in a practical way. So please repeat it once again.
Monalisaya.
Yaha.
Monalisayaha. Leonardo da Vinci.
What is Mona Lisa Yaha? What is that?
It's a woman.
Chitrita.
Chitram.
Chitram. Monalisayana Chitram. Leonardo da Vinci na
Da Vinci na
Da Vinci na Chitritaha.
chitritam.
Chitritam.
Oh, uttamam. You are doing very wonderful, Swami. Next sentence.
Nikshipati is like releasing something, throwing.
There are 2-3 words actually: throwing or putting. Nikshipatu is put it there. Sah nikshipati, kandukam nikshipati is throwing the ball.
Kapil Dev is one of the best bowlers in the world. So how do I say that?
Try.
Kapil Dev Mahabhagasya. Mahabhagaha.
This is a Prathama Vibhakti. Yeah, Mahabhagaha.
Cricket
Kridayam.
Visishta
Nikshepakaha.
Nikshepakaha.
That's it. Because there is no putting like throwing in. This is the Kanduka Nikshepakaha. Bowler.
Visishta Kanduka Nikshepaha.
Kanduka is a ball.
Kanduka is a ball.
Mama Mata Modukam Nikshipati. What it means?
Laddu.
What is Modukam is Laddu? Nikshipati?
Throwing.
No. She is putting Laddu. She is giving Laddu. Mata Kandukam Nikshipati. She is putting laddus on the table somewhere. Okay, Kapil Devaha Kandukam Nikshipati, which is he is not putting balls, now he is throwing balls. Okay. Uttamam.
Anya Vidyardhinaha Kriyapadani Ganayati.
Yeah, Uttamam. Vidyardhinaha Kriyapadani Vidyardhinaha Kriyapadani Ganayanti. Or Vidyardhi. If it is Vidyardhi Ganayati. Uttamam. 4 completed. Okay. Again, coming back.
Acharya.
Mata.
Ahamekam vakyam.
Nakasudha Mata va? Ekam na Chatvari.
Okay.
Atah Prabhuti Chatvari. Chintayati, Jigrati, Ringati, Ledi. Pattikam drishyate va bhavatya? Are you able to see the screen, Mata?
Chintayati, jigrati.
Able to see the screen?
Able to see. I can see.
Yeah. Just follow it. Yeah, first 4.
First 4.
Chintayati, jigrati.
Aham chintayami iti. Tad aham.
Okay.
Chintayati.
Chintayati, Chintayami, Chintayasi, Chintana, Chintanam, anything.
Okay.
Aham Chintanam Karomi.
Kar sakte, yeah, you can. Nakasudha Mata, tell me any different word, different sentence.
Aham अहं चिन्तयामि इति कुहू कुहू बोले कोयलिया गीतं लता मंगेशकर गायिकातः कथं मधुरेण गायामि इति.
Now what you should form a sentence. Aham chintayami yat Lata Mangeshkar Mahodayayaha kuhu kuhu koyaliya iti geetam katham va tavat madhurena gatum shaknomi iti.
इति अहं चिन्तयामि.
Okay, aham chintayami iti.
अहं चिन्तयामि
तावत् madhuraya.
तावत् मधुरया.
That's sweet. Okay. Iti ativa what you can say ativa
Long. Shigra.
not shigra
Long.
Dirgha.
ativa vistruta
Dirgha.
ativa vistruta vakya uttamam. Next jigrati aham ekam vaktum shaknomi vasudha mata iti chintayati. प्रतिवाक्ये वसुधा माता इति चिन्तयति. It's all sentence, na? Yeah, she is thinking like this. Vasudha mata iti chintayati. Okay, next one. Jigrati.
What does it mean?
बालकः
Shigra?
सर्वेभ्यः पुष्पाणि जिघ्रति.
Once again.
बालकः सर्वेभ्यः सुमधुरपुष्पाणि जिघ्रति.
जिघ्रति, fine. लेकिन सर्वेभ्यः किमर्थं? He is बालकः पुष्पाणि सुमधुराणि भवन्ति वा?
पुष्पाणि सुमुखानि.
पुष्पाणि सुमधुराणि भवन्ति वा? सुगन्धिनि भवन्ति वा?
सुगन्धानि.
सुमधुरं भोज्यपदार्थं, सुगन्धपदार्थं, शीघ्रपदार्थं. बालकः पुष्पाणि जिघ्रति. That's it. Or बालकः पुष्पेषु सुगन्धं जिघ्रति. Enough. Okay, jigrati.
बालकः पुष्पेषु सुगन्धं जिघ्रति.
Very good. Next, ringati. Ringati is crawling.
कृष्णः सर्वेभ्यः रिङ्गति.
Okay. सर्वेभ्यः किमर्थं? सर्वत्र.
सर्वत्र.
Because sarvatra belongs to a place. Sarvebhya belongs to people. Krishna will not crawl on people, na?
Yes.
Yeah. Sarvatra ringati. Uttamam. Next, lady. Lady is licking.
What's that word, Acharya ji?
Lady.
Lady, D as in da.
Lady.
Okay.
This is actually lih dhatu. Swami, remember this. It is a lih dhatu. Lih. Okay. What is in English? What is it in English? Licking, na? Do you find any similarity between Sanskrit word and English word?
Very similar.
Lih, lick. Dhatu is same. Okay. Dhatu is same. Okay. Lehyam. Do you ever heard a word called lehyam? Because we can lick it. That's why it is called as lehyam. Liha. Liha dhatu. Okay, Mata. Next one is Jrumbhate. Try to tell this. Nagasudha Mata. Jrumbhate. Or Jrumbhati. If it is Uttama Purusha, Vijrumbhanam Karomi or Jrumbhanam Karomi.
रामायणे कुम्भकर्णस्य विजृम्भणार्थं सर्वेभ्यः कोलाहलं क्रियते.
Okay. Kolahalam kriyate. Okay. Uttamam. Uttamam. Next, come back. Vasudha Mata. Next four. Dadati, Svikaroti, Krinati, Vikrinite or Vikrinati.
Okay, dadati,
Dadati.
to give, right? To give.
Hmm.
Mm, That
Bahusanti, Lakshma Reddy, Mam Anguliyakam Dadati.
Acharya ji, did
Ah.
we hear Seshu and Santosh also or no?
I think Seshji is not able to talk, but
Oh.
Santoshji is in work, I think. If he is okay, I can talk to him. Santoshji, are you ready to talk? No, I'm not getting reply from them. That's why I waited. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, Lakshmaha bhojanam dadati.
Bhojanam dadati va? Bahu dadati.
Bhojanam?
Prema patram dadati. Sugandha pushpan dadati. Priyan dadati.
Aham Lakshmaha lekanam dadati.
Dadati or dadami?
Dadami.
Aham is dadami. Fantastic. Next. Svikaroti.
Svikaroti.
Remember your memories. What he gave you.
Okay, he doesn't give anything. That's
Aye.
okay.
He might have given something. You remember that. Cumulatively, you are telling no. There will be something beautiful thing he might have given you.
No, forget about us. Do Rama Krishna.
Okay.
Svikaroti. Svikaroti. To receive.
Okay.
So, Ramaha,
You are listening to your husband's words. Wow.
Ramaha, Sitaya Patni Svikaroti.
Now, Ramaha Sitam to the Sita,
Sitam.
Ditiya Vibhakti, Sitam, Patni Iva Svikaroti.
Okay.
Patni Iva Svikaroti.
Ramaha, Sitam Patni Iva Svikaroti.
Okay, very good. Next one, Krinati. Krina.
Krinati means
Buying.
doing. Buying, okay. Krina. Krina.
Today morning, I got a dream where Shyamji is buying a new house. I don't know why Dr. Arunji is helping him in buying a new house. Before me, Shyamji and Arunji were talking before Usmania University, where he is buying a new house and Arunji is planning. And yeah, he said that, okay, don't worry. I'll just plan and do it in within $300,000.
So
Like
that's
some-
good actually. That's
Huh?
better than me giving advice on health.
No, I got a dream today morning that you want to construct a house within $300,000. He is helping you, it seems.
Wow, that may be true. If he can help me, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We are discussing before Usmania University and sitting on a bench. I don't know why. Okay. Next, Krinati, buying Mata.
Krinati. Aham to a grocery store. How do you say? Aham.
Vipani, market.
Yeah. Aham Vipani Gachati. Gachami.
Gatva. Okay, Gachami is going, or after going is Gatva.
Gatva. Okay. Aham Vipani Gatva. To buy food, to buy the food, to buy the vegetables, say.
What is vegetables?
Bhojya
Bhojya Padartham.
Padartham Krinati.
Krinati
Krinami.
he is buying. If you go to
Krinami.
market, why he is
Krinami.
buying? Okay, Krinami.
Krinami.
Very good. Next one.
Aham vipani
Ah.
bhojana gatva bhojana padartham krinami.
Uttamam. Next. Vikrinami.
Vikrinami. I can't sell anything, so what should I say? Vikrinami.
Ramaha, imagine Rama.
Okay. Okay. Vikrinami. To sell. Balaka, they're selling lemonade. Balaka,
Nimbarasam.
Nimmarasam, Vikrinanti, Anti.
Vikrinanti. Uttamam. Next, followed by Shyamji. Next one. After Vikrinanti, Badhanati, Pachati, Pari.
You are going in the wrong order. It should be again Lashma Reddy.
No. Like I'm coming from the
We only get 1 out of 2.
We have a lot of dhatus again. Continue, Swami.
What is that?
Badhanati, Pachati, Pariveshayati, Bhojayati.
Bandhati,
Badhanati
is
tying.
tying. Pachati. Pachati is cooking.
Pariveshayati.
Pariveshayati is, what is that? Serving?
Yeah.
Yes,
Pariveshayati. Bhojayati is feeding.
Yeah, that's it.
Bhojayati, Pariveshayati. So there is a little difference. Badhanati. Ramaha Bahumanam Badhanati.
Okay.
That's a very simple sentence.
Yeah.
I guess I can get by with it.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, you can do it. Ramaha Bahumanam Badhanati.
Bahumanam Badhanati.
Kasmai Datum. For whom?
Badhanati Krishnaya.
Uttamam. Ramaha Krishnaya Bahumanam Badhanati. Uttamam. Next, Pachati.
Aham Bhojana Padardham Pachayati.
Aham Pachayati. Pachami. Very good.
But I want to say I cook only once in a year.
Aham Varishe Ekavaram.
Aham Har.
Varsha is year. Varshe.
Aham Varshe.
Ekavaram Pachami.
Bhojana Padardham Pachami.
Pachami is cooking. Anything is Bhojana Padartham is fine. Aham Varshe Ekavaram Pachami.
Aham Varshe Ekavaram Pachami.
Pratidinam Khadami.
Pratidinam Khadami. Pratidinam 3 times.
Trivaram Khadami. Varshe Ekavaram Pachami. Pratidinam Trivaram Khadami. Uttamam. Next. Pariveshayati.
Vivaha Bhojana. Pariveshayat.
Tell me the sentence.
In weddings, they serve food.
Right? Vivahe Bhojana Pariveshanam Adbhutam.
Vivahe Bhojana Pariveshanam.
Serving food. Adbhutam. Sundaram Bhavati or Adbhutam Bhavati.
Why is it Pariveshanam?
Pariveshanam is pariveshana is a real dhatu. If it is being done by somebody is pariveshayati. If you are doing it, pariveshayasi. If I am doing it, pariveshayami.
Yeah.
So pariveshanam, serving.
Pariveshanam. Okay.
Vivahe bhojana pariveshanam adbhutam bhavati.
Vahe bhojana pariveshayam adbhutam bhavati.
Pariveshanam.
Pariveshanam adbhutam bhavati.
Uttamam, uttamam. Next, bhojayati.
Bhojayati is like feeding, right?
Yeah,
Or eating.
feeding.
Feeding.
Khadami is khana. Khadami is eating.
Yashoda
Huh.
Krishnaya bhojanam.
Simple. To Krishna.
To
Didya
Krishna.
vibhakti.
Krishna.
Krishnam.
Krishnam.
Bhojayati.
Yashoda Krishnam bhojayati.
That's it.
Yeah, okay. I can say like she's feeding him like some sweets.
Okay. Add sweets before bhojayati.
Yashoda Madhura.
Krishnam. Yashoda.
Yashoda
Krishnam.
Krishnam.
Ah.
Sweets, what do you call sweet?
Same you said, repeated just now.
Madhuram.
Madhuram.
Madhuram bhojayati.
That's it. Yashoda, Krishnam, Madhuram, Madhuram bhojayati.
Madhuram bhojayati.
Or sweets, if it is plural, Madhurani bhojayati.
Madhurani bhojayati. Okay.
Uttama, uttama, uttama. Next,
Modakani.
come to the top. Bhikshapati Mahabhaga.
Yes.
Pujayati, bodhayati, pradarshayati, tadayati.
Aham Pratidinam Pratah-kale
Krishna.
Pujami.
Okay, pujayami.
Pujayami.
Very good. Next,
Pujayami.
bodhayati.
Acharya Mahodaya.
Mahodayah.
Sanskrita Bhasha Bodhayati.
Okay, go beyond the context. Out of the class. For example, Sandeepa Maharshihi Krishnam Bodhayati. Sandeepa Maharshi is a teacher of Sri Krishna.
Yes, Krishna.
Sandeepa Maharshi is teaching Krishna. Like that. So go out of the class.
Right. Pradarshayati.
No, Bodhayati. Continue the Bodhayati.
Vishwamitra Maharshiya.
Maharshihi. Okay, Maharshihi.
Maharshi. Ramaha Paluvidya Bodhayati.
Uttamam. Parantu Vishwamitra Maharshihi is Prathama Vibhakti. Ramaha Prathama Vibhakti.
Yes.
Who should be? Is it okay? Then Vishwamitra Maharshi, Rama, Ramam, it should be Dvitiya Bhakti.
Oh,
Who is learning is Dvitiya Bhakti. Now, reform the sentence.
Vishwamitra Maharshi. Ramam Viluvidya Bodhayati.
Okay, Dhanurvidya actually.
Dhanurvidya.
Viluvidya is Telugu word. Dhanurvidya Bodhayati. Uttamam. Next. Pradarshayati. Presenting or showing. Exhibiting.
Arjuna Dhanurvidya Kaushalyam Pradashyati.
Once again, Arjunaha
Dhanurvidya Kaushalam.
Okay.
Kaushalam Pradashyati.
Uttamam. Next, Tadayati.
Tadayati is punishing,
Tadayati is hitting.
hitting.
Sikshati is siksha dadati is punishing.
Yes. Tadayati. Pituram. Pituram is father.
Pituhu is father. Pitaram to the father.
Pituhu. Shishu.
Shishu is Shishum. What it should be? Rama,
Two.
Ramam, Shishu, Shishum.
Ramam. Shishum.
Hmm.
And wrongdoing. Wrongdoing is wrongdoing.
What is wrongdoing?
Wrong is
Akrama karyam.
akramakarye.
Who is
Karoni.
hitting? Who is hitting?
Pitru.
Pituhu putram.
Putram.
Akrama karye.
Akramakarye tadayati.
Uttamam. Or Rishabh Pant bahutadayati.
Oh, hitting the ball.
Sachinaha Sachin Uttamatadakaha. Best batsman kada. Like he hits hard. So Tadanam is not only hitting by the hand but anything.
So Bhimaha
Malla
Malla Vidya tadayati.
Vidyaya Mushti Yuddhe Tadayati.
Mushti Yuddhe tadayati.
Fist.
Fist.
Uttamam. Next, Lakshma Reddy Mahabhaga. Alingati, Sprishati, Chumbati, Prasadayati.
Alingati.
Alingati or Alingayami.
Very emotional sentence.
Alingami. Alinganam karomi or Alinganam karomi. Anything.
Ramaha Krishnaha Bahukala Anantara.
Parasparam.
Bahukala Anantaram.
Parasparam.
Alingabhyami.
Alinganam. Kurutaha. Karoti kurutaha kurvanti. Or Alinganam kurvanti. Sometimes you can use Bahuvachanam also. In Maryada, in respect. Okay. Or Ramaha Hanumantam Alinganam karoti. Sita darshana Hanumataha Sita darshananantaram Ramaha Hanumantam or Tam Alinganam karoti. Pituhu Putram Alinganam karoti.
Pituhu Putram Alinganam karoti.
Mata Swasishum
Alinganam karoti.
Uttamam.
Sprushyati.
Brata Sodaram
Alinganam karoti.
Uttamam. Sprishati.
Mata Mama Shishuhu
Okay.
Sprushoti.
Mata Swasishum
Swasishum Sprushati.
Uttamam. Mata Swasishum Sprishati. Okay. Can we change? Can we tag anything? Vaidyaha Rogim Sprushati.
Vaidyaha Rogim Sprushati.
Rogim Sprushati. Okay. Another. Who will touch whom?
Vaidyaha Parikshardam Rogim Sprushati.
That's it. Why he touches only the Parikshardam. Uttamam. Next. Chumbati.
Mata Shishuhu.
Change any words. Don't repeat the same words.
Okay.
It is easy to, but I want you to think about new words. That's it.
Mhm.
Who will do Chumbanam?
Ashmareddy, don't use somebody else now.
No, it will be a mess. It will be mess. Priyaha Priyam Chumbati.
Priyaha Priyam Chumbati.
Okay. Priya Priyam Chumbati. Priyaha Priyam Chumbati. Priya Priyam Chumbati.
Yeah, the difference is not that clear actually.
Very simple. Priyaha is a masculine gender. Then it becomes Priyaha Priyam to the lover in feminine gender. Chumbati. Priyaha a masculine gender. In feminine gender, Chumbati. If it is in opposite, Priya, Prathama Vibhakti, Priyam, to the boy who is a lover, Chumbati. So difference is, whoever is kissing will be in Prathama Vibhakti, whoever is receiving will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Or it could be Shishuhu Matam Chumbati.
Mataram.
Mataram.
Shishuhu is a Prathama Vibhakti, Mataram Chumbati.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti, remember that. Okay? Receiver is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Shishuhu Mataram Chumbati. Mata Shishum Chumbati. Pita Putrim Chumbati. Putri Pitaram Chumbati. Priyaha Priyam Chumbati. Priya Priyam Chumbati. Brata Sodaram Chumbati. Sodaraha Brataram Chumbati. Yes, I'm giving you practice because of knowing Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's it.
So receiver in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah. Next one. Prasadhayati.
Sadayati. Means, Prasadayati means
Like
here?
combing.
Combing.
Or making it straight. Making it clear. Or refining it.
Sadayati.
This is also called as samskarana. Kesha samskarana. It is called as Kesha samskarana. Mata Putrika Kesha samskaranam karoti.
Okay, but here I guess the word is Prasadayati. Can we use it out of the context of this Kesha Samskarana?
You can. Just I'm giving it as an example because you have another word, so synonym.
Okay. Prasadayati.
Mama bharya, mama putrikayaha kesha prasadhanam karoti. Or keshan prasadayati. Keshan is hair, lot of hair na is bahuvachanam. Keshan prasadayati. She is combing the hair. Okay, go to the next one. Dashati.
Dashati means?
Dashana. Biting.
Biting, okay. Dashati. Shunakaha. What do you call the bone?
Asthim.
Shunakaha astim dashati.
Uttamam. Dashati. Balakaha ajnanena dashati.
Ajnanena dashati.
Yuvakaha ajnani iva dashati. Difference?
Yeah. Like ajnani.
Balakaha ajnanena dashati. He bites unknowingly. Yuvakaha ajnani iva dashati. Youngster bites as an ignorant. Unknowing is ignorant, both are different words, different context.
Right. Yeah.
He bites unknowingly, but Yuvakaha bites as an ignorant. He should not do that. He knows that, still he do that as an ignorant. Okay. Narayan Pai Swami, Alambate.
Alambate is leaning on, supporting on.
Yes.
Okay. शूरापानमत्त पुरुषः दीपस्तम्भम् आलम्बते.
आलम्बते. विद्युत् विद्युदपि स्वीकुरुते. Okay.
Pranudati is
Pranudati.
pushing. अशक्त वृद्धः heavy बहुभार वस्तूनि प्रणुदितुं न शक्नोति.
Uttamam pranuditum na shaknoti. Okay, today we have another list. Adhyapika.
Acharya ji,
Yeah.
can you go back and what Narayan Pai, he is at a higher level, so you need to explain that to us.
No, pranudati, vruddha purushaha bahubharam pranuditum na shaknoti.
What is Nashaknoti?
Na shaknoti.
Oh, not able to do it.
To push na shaknoti.
Cannot.
No,
Unable.
Nashaknoti is not able to because
Old fellow is unable to push the heavy thing.
what is the meaning of Shaknoti?
Shaknoti, able to do. Ashaknoti, not nashaknoti, not able to do. Able and disabled.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
How about the other word, alambate? What he said about it?
Is
The
that something,
sentence.
Alambate.
Surapana.
Mattaha. Surapana mattaha. A person who
After drinking, leaning against the electrical pole.
vidyut stambha alambate. Yeah. Okay.
And Acharya ji clarified that he also gets electrocuted.
Vidyut. Very good. Next one. So I have a next posting, Swami. Dattaji, can you read these and
Not
just tell the
really.
professions?
I had to use a magnifier here.
Okay, no. Okay,
Adhyapika.
Narayan Pai ji, can you? Okay, now I think you can.
Adhyapika.
now I think.
Now it's better.
Narayan Pai ji, you read it. First one.
Okay. Adhyapika.
Okay, Adhyapika is a female teacher. If it is Pumlinga,
Adhyapakah.
Adhyapakah. Adhyapakah pathan adhyapayati. Adhyapika patham bodhayati. Very good. Next one.
Vaidya.
Vaidya. If it is Pumlinga,
Vaidyaha.
Vaidyaha. Kim karoti Vaidyaha? Rogan
Nivarayati.
Varayati. Uttamam. Next one. Chatri. Sorry.
Yeah.
Chatri.
Yeah. But female student is chatra, isn't it?
Chatriya. Chatra.
Both are there.
Chatraha, chatra.
Chatraha, chatra.
Yeah.
Chatraha, chatre, Hari, chatraha, Ramaha, chatrau, chatraha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So two things are there. Sometimes it is chatri or chatra. No problem. Okay. Chatra is a student. What she does?
ST.
Goes to school.
Chatri kalashalang gacchati. Or chatri pathashalang gacchati. Or chatri vishwavidyalayam. What is vishwavidyalayam?
University.
Gacchati. Uttamam. Next.
Lipikaha.
What is lipikaha?
Writer.
Writer.
Writer. Very good. Writer. Lipikaha kim karoti?
Likataha.
Prabandham likati.
Kavyam likatah.
किमपि लिखति सः तालपत्र शोधनम् अपि करोति तालपत्र what is तालपत्राणि
Palm leaf writing.
manuscripts
Manuscript.
तालपत्राणि शोधयति many of my friends are like manuscriptology readers. Next, Apanikaha.
Shopkeeper.
आपणः is a shop, आपणिकः is a shopkeeper. उत्तमम्. किं करोति?
वस्तूनि विक्रीणाति.
वस्तूनि विक्रीणाति. तत्र मधुराणि वा भोज्यपदार्थानि वा शाकाहाराणि वा. शाकाहारं नाम
Vegetables.
फलाहारं नाम
Fruits.
Fruits.
शाकाहाराणि वा फलाहाराणि वा विक्रीणाति. नेक्स्ट वन.
चालकः.
चालकः किं करोति?
वाहनं चलु
वाहनं
चलाते
चालयति.
चालयति
ड्रैव्स कदा. वाहनं चालयति. उत्तमं. नेक्स्ट वन.
गायकः.
नायकः.
नायकः.
नायकः किं करोति?
उपन्यासं ददाति.
उत्तमम्. उपन्यसति, उपन्यासं ददाति, उपन्यासं करोति. एनीथिंग इज फाइन. नेक्स्ट. आरक्षकः.
Police.
रक्षकः और आरक्षकः. व्हाट इज डिफरेंस? रक्षकः, आरक्षकः.
Rakshaka is the your personal bodyguard or
Protector. Any protector is rakshakah. Pita mama rakshakah. Mata mama rakshika. Everyone protects, but there is a selfishness to the father and the mother. Arakshakah is not selfish towards somebody. He is a protector of everybody. Like higher level of protection is called as arakshana. Reservation. You know reservation? What is reservation called in Sanskrit?
Arakshaka.
If you go to train reservation, there is Arakshan. Arakshan Bhogi. Reservation Bhogi. Arakshan, reservation. What is reservation? Pratyekataya niyamitaha rakshakaha arakshakaha. Specially recruited person for protection is arakshaka. Okay. What he does? Rakshati. Next one.
Nyayavadi.
Nyayadhishah.
Nyayadishah. Okay.
Means
Judge.
judge. Nyayadhishah, judge. Person who argues is a Nyayavadi.
Vadi.
Very good. Nyayam vadayati iti Nyayavadi. Veenam vadayati iti Veenavadi. Venum vadayati iti Venuvadi. Nyayam vadayati
Nyayavadi.
Nyayavadi. Dharmam vadayati iti
Dharmavadi.
Dharmavadi. Vitandam vadayati iti
Vitandavadi.
Vitandavadi. Next one. Adhivakta. What is Adhivakta?
debater, argument.
Yeah, debater, argumenter, or person who talks on a topic or about the topic. In this, there are two lawyers, na? One is counter and one is like answerer. Adhivakta. Next one. Lekhakaha.
What is the difference between lekhakaha and lipikaha?
That's what I did. Lipikaha will study on Lipijnana manuscripts.
Oh,
Lekhaka is a writer, maybe a poet, maybe a journalist. Lipi based on a linguistic concept.
okay.
Lekhaka is about, he writes everything on anything. He's a writer. Lekhakaha kim karoti?
Likhati.
Vyasam likhati. Kavitvam likhati. Vartapatrikayam Vishayam likhati. Next one.
Vijnani.
Vijnanic.
Vaijnanikah. Atra eka Vaijnanika asti. Ka.
दत्तजी.
तर्हि सः वैज्ञानिकः भवति. वैज्ञानिकः बहु अनुभवज्ञः वैज्ञानिकः अस्ति कक्षायां केते
एकस्य नामः दत्तजी अन्यस्य नामः वसुधाजी
अन्या नाम
अन्यः नाम
प्रथमप्रश्नः तदेव बहु अनुभवज्ञः बहु पंडितः बहु ज्येष्ठः भीष्मसमः एकः वैज्ञानिकः अस्ति कक्षायां ते के अज्ञानी इव परीक्षां कुर्वन्ति पश्यतु दत्तजी भवन्तम् उद्दिश्य भाषणं करोमि अस्माकं कक्षायाम् एकः अनुभवज्ञः ज्ञानवृद्धः भीष्मसम वैज्ञानिकः अस्ति
वैज्ञानिक
केते
scientist
అంటే హూ
ఆ
దత్ గారు
Dattu Mahadaya.
दत्त महोदयः I gave you 3-4 adjectives अन्या एका महिला वैज्ञानिका वर्तते सुशीला सुमधुरभाषिणी सुशोभिनी वर्तते सा का
Oh my God.
Nice to hear, na?
Yeah.
I think Lashma, it's your chance to say it now.
He's enjoying it.
हम ना जानामि
तत् सत्यमेव खलु लक्ष्मारेड्डी वसुधां जानाति न तु वैज्ञानिकां वैज्ञानिका बहिः कार्यं धर्मपत्नी गृहकार्यम् उत्तमं नेक्स्ट वैमानिकः
Pilot.
Pilot.
वैमानिकः if it is feminine gender
Vaimanika.
उत्तमं किं करोति सा
विमानं चलति
विमानं चलति वा चालयति वा
Chalayati.
स्वयमेव विमानं सः चलति
How do you say fly? Fly.
चालयति विहङ्गयति
Vihangayati.
उड्डयति
Uddayati.
Diana is flying पक्षी डयते bird flies विमानं डयते but विमानं
Udayate.
उड्डयते
Uddayati.
नेक्स्ट नाविकः
Navy.
Navy man.
किं करोति नेविगेशन करोति नाविकात्वं करोति
Navika chalati.
नाविका नावां चालयति
Navam tarati tarati.
ओके तरति तारयति
Tarayati.
तरति इज सेल्फ स्विमिंग तारयति और नाविकात्वं करोति नाविकात्वम इज
navigation
navigate
navigation English word again नाविकात्वं navigation next चित्रकारः
painter
चित्रकारः किं करोति
अद्य
चित्रं चित्रं
कक्षे एकं चित्रकारः अस्ति
अस्यां कक्ष्यायां चित्रकारः अस्ति वा
आम् आम्
वाव बहु आश्चर्यकर विषयः अहं न जानामि कः सः लक्ष्मारेड्डी महोदय एव वा
no तस्य नाम श्याम महोदय
ओ श्याम महोदयः वा उत्तमम् 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 अहमपि चित्रकारः एव प्रतिवारं प्रतिदिनम् एकमेव चित्रं प्रदर्शयामि सर्वदा अन्यरूपं धरति किं तत् अहं प्रतिचित्रं बहु सुन्दरतया चित्रयामि प्रतिवारं तस्य रूपं परिवर्तनं भवति, परन्तु सः अद्भुतं वर्तते। किं तत्? अमीबा.
Okay.
I can paint only amoeba, which is perfect in any form. Okay. Uttamam. Next, Pachakaha.
Cook,
Okay. Gayakaha.
singer,
Nartaki.
dancer,
Okay. If it is masculine gender, Pumlinge.
Nartakaha.
Nartakaha. Very good. Vartaharaha.
newsreader,
Varta Sangrahakaha.
Composer.
news
Collector.
Varta Sangrahakaha.
Journalist.
Journalist.
Next, Kridaluhu.
sports person,
Sports person. Sainikaha.
soldier,
Patravahaha.
postman,
Postman.
Postman.
Takshakaha.
carpenter,
Carpenter. Takshakaha.
Okay.
Sauchikaha.
tailor, sewing person,
Suchi yuktaha. Suchi is needle. Suchi yuktaha sauchikaha.
Okay. So
Krushikaha.
farmer,
कृषि कार्यं यः करोति, कृषि कार्यं यः करोति सः कृषिकः। सेवा कार्यं यः करोति,
sevaka,
सेवा कार्यं यः करोति सा,
Sevaka.
Sevaka. Sevaka.
सेवकः,
Sevakaha.
नायकः फेमिनाइन जेंडर,
Naika.
नायिका। भारतदेशे सर्वासु अपि what we can say कुड्येषु लिखितं भवति सोनिया गांधी नायकत्वं वर्धिल्लालि. Is the right statement or not? सोनिया गांधी नायकत्वं जयतु. नायकः नायकत्वं. If it is feminine gender,
Naika.
नायिका नायिकात्वं. If it is a स्त्री, Sonia Gandhi, how she become a nayakatvam? She can't do nayakatvam, she can do nayikatvam. But on all the walls, Sonia Gandhi gari nayakatvam, Vardhilali, nayakatvam, nayakatvam. Are she is a feminine man. So you can't tell that. It is not nayakatvam, it is nayikatvam. But in flow, we don't concentrate on that actually. Okay, in the same way, sevakaha,
Sevika.
sevika. Now you got the point. Very good. Next, rajakaha.
washerman,
Very good. Dhivaraha.
fisherman,
Matsyakaraha. Matsyakaraha. Dhivaraha. Both are fishermen. Lohakaraha.
metalsmith,
Metalsmith. Lohakaraha. Kulalaha.
potter,
Who makes pot? Or Murtika Karaha is also the word. Murtika Karaha. He makes something with matti. Murtika. Charmakaraha.
cobbler,
Charmaena karyam karoti. Iti charmakaraha. Tantuvayaha.
Weaver.
Tantuvayaha.
Weaver.
Weaver, who makes something with thread. Tantu is a thread. Tantu. Mama putraha tantuna kridati.
is also kaulika,
Kaulikaha, yutakaha, many are there. Okay. Next, Murtikaraha.
Sculptor.
Sculptor.
Sir, Murtikaraha. Murtikaryam yaha karoti. Swarnakaraha.
Goldsmith.
Swarnena karyam karoti iti Swarnakaraha. Lepakaraha.
Bricklayer.
Lepakaraha is a like mestri.
Mason.
But still, it is not lepakaraha is a simple word actually. Graha nirmanam karoti. Grahakaraha. Anything. Okay. Napitaha.
Barber.
Or mangalaha. There other word is there. Mangalikaha.
I thought Napita means somebody that measures.
Okay. So this is the other one. I think just small thing. You know that what is Prachi?
Purva, east.
Prachi or Purva, both are east. Next one, Paschima or Pratichi. And towards the sun, opposite the sun. Paschima or Pratichi. Next, Uttara or Udichi, north. Dakshina or Avachi, Avachi is south. And you know for this actually I just took the picture. What is Upari? Upar.
Above.
Adhaha.
Below.
Niche. Nicha is also a Sanskrit word. Nicha is a lower. Saha Nicha Janaha. Saha Nicham Vadati. He is talking low. Saha Nicham Alochayati. Nicham Chintayati. Nicha Drushtihi. Okay. Adhaha is a down. Next. Kone.
In a corner.
Kona, corner. Kendre.
Center,
Center.
Center, very good. Samipe.
nearby.
Nearby. Dure.
Far.
Antaha.
Inside.
Bahihi.
Outside.
Purataha.
Behind.
Around. Or before. Okay. Purataha is before.
Front. In the front.
Pushtataha.
Back.
Behind.
Behind. Vamataha.
Left.
Left side.
Dakshinataha.
On the
Right
right
side.
side.
Left side. So this is about directions, sides.
Okay.
Good. I'll post these things to you today. This week, I want everyone to do at least 2 to 3 lines every day. Not one time, 10 sentences at a day. In one time. 3 sentence every day. Okay, 10 sentence every day is also fine. I have patience to correct. But in total, not 10 sentences. One day. Every day, 3 sentences. Take 2-3 minutes time. Okay? Every day. Good. Nice class today, Swami. I don't know how time fled away.
Yes, almost 1.5 hours.
Lakshmana Reddy ji is so serious today. Why? Everything okay, Lakshmana Reddy ji? Alochanam karoti. Samadhanardham alochanam karoti.
Aham na chintayati.
Samadhanardham anyatra pashyati.
Aham na shrunomi. Prashna.
Prashna, kimartham tavat kopaha drishyate?
Aham kopam nasti.
Aham kopam nasmi.
Nasmi.
Uttamam.
Dhanyavada.
एकः प्रश्नः जातः किं प्रष्टुं शक्नोमि अहं
किं प्रश्नं?
प्रश्नं कर्तुं शक्नोमि
Aham.
किमर्थं द्वावपि द्वयोः केमरायोः द्वयोः कोष्ठे शृण्वन्ति कक्ष्याम् एकत्र एव उपविश्य श्रोतुं शक्नुवन्ति खलु
Na shaknoti.
न शक्नोति वा
What does that mean?
Why don't you use the one camera instead of 2 cameras?
Oh, okay.
ओके उत्तमम् ओके आगामिनि रविवासरे पुनः प्रातः काले पुनर्दशवादने सम्यग् मतिषु सर्वेषु ज्ञानवृद्धाः महोदयाः दत्तमहाभागाः सह चंद्र इव प्रकाशमानाः नारायणपै महाभागाः सह विद्युत् समानाः लक्ष्मारेड्डी महाभागाः सह नक्षत्र इव दर्शमानाः भिक्षपति महाभागाः सह सागर इव उच्यमानाः श्याम महोदयाः सह मेघ इव गर्जमाना वसुधा माता सह सर्वेषां आदर्शीभूत ब्रह्म इव सन्तोष महाभागाः सह सर्वदा श्रवणानन्दकरः शेष महाभागाः सह पुनर्मिलितुम् इच्छामि आगामि वासरे रविवासरे 10
कक्षा
1:30 कक्षायां मिलामि अवश्यं मिलिष्यामः धन्यवादः वन्दे मातरम्
धन्यवादः आचार्य
वन्दे मातरम्